Hi guys! Welcome here at the Oasis Manila for another event styling. So for this time, we are here again to do another wedding reception styling with an all-white motif details. So the client is requesting to have a white and neutral palette but with a lush florals, crystal chandeliers, and some drapery that you would see for our reception design. So join us today for us to see what we're gonna have for this wonderful celebration. The reason why we're making adjustments for the panel is because the venue is concerning of blocking the air conditions. So that might affect with the temperature of the event. So we tend, instead of having like a full drapes for the panel, we tend to use like the candle rack. So the air would pass through. Even the air conditioner is on the back of the panel. Dalawa na lang dito. So, pwede, okay, ito. Panel nung kandila ang nasa harapan. Hindi siya na-appreciate doon sa pangalawa. Nasa kabila, baligtad. Huwag muna ito mag-panel. Kandila muna. Kaya lang hindi ba natama sa yan ni Aljon? Aljon, i-check mo nga ito kung natama sa'yo. Sa beam nyo. Hindi mo ba mapapasok dito, kuya dito? Palitin mo, iangat mo. Ipalagay mo yun, ipaano mo muna yung floor lamps, so parang ginawa natin sa Placida. This is Co & Co. Experience. Co & Co.
masasabi namin, ang ganda po. Kung ano po yung expect namin, mas mahigit pa dun yung ginawa niyo po. Sobrang ganda po.
And ako magtatanong din ako. Natupad ko ba yung dream mo?
Yes.
Natupad ko rin yung dream niya.
Thank you, Sir Jason.
Thank you, Sir
ganda
Jason.
po. Thank you po.
You're the
Thank
best.
you.
Thank you so much, Co & Co.
You're the best. Thank you, Sir Jason.